Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Sid here. I'm creating this video to show the market data subscriptions that are needed for interactive brokers. And I have a level 2, I have an option chain here. You can see this is my setup. If you haven't seen in my previous videos, you can have a look at those. You can see the live recording, how the level 2 and option chain look during the live market. You can just have a look at my previous videos, but this is Sunday, so it doesn't show any level 2 right now. But if you want to have a look how it looks, you can go back to one of my videos and have a look at those. So this subscriptions whatever I have for right now I use for my option trading. You can use the same for stocks trading too. So I have 4 subscriptions. Let me jump into my settings and show what are those subscriptions that I have. So once you open Interactive Brokers account, initially, even after once you deposit your uh, amount to your account, they don't directly subscribe you to any subscriptions. You need to manually go into the settings and apply to those subscriptions, and only then they will add those subscriptions to your account. So there are four subscriptions that you need. Once you log into your Interactive Brokers web account, you need to go to all the way down, and in the settings you will see this market data subscriptions. You need to click on that. Once this page is loaded, you can see right now I have 4 subscriptions here: NASDAQ, NYSE Americas, and Opera for the options exchange. This is something I got that fee waived, and this is mutual funds you got fee waived. These two you will get normally, you don't need to do anything. Even for these two, you don't need to do anything. You will have those by default. The only subscriptions that you need to have are these four. And to do that, once you come to the settings screen, you will see nothing initially here, and you need to go to this configure button. And once you are in there, you will see these four. You will see all these bunch of different North America, South America, different countries. You don't need to worry about any of those. You can just worry about North America, since we are trading in US. And if you see, there are 5 subscriptions for me in level 1, and level 2 there is one which is by default. You will get that. You don't need to worry about this. And if you go to level 1, if you open this drop down, you will see all these multiple different monthly subscriptions that you can subscribe to. But the only 4 you really need is that NASDAQ Network CUTC. This gives you the real-time bid and ask for the NASDAQ, like stocks like Microsoft, Cisco, and all. And second thing is NYSE. This gives you the market data about CYSTEL, some others, not some other stocks basically. And you need this, and you need NYSE America's bats and this one, and you also need this US option exchange, this for the options chain. So these four are the only subscriptions you really need. You can clearly see a monthly USD 1.5 will be waived when the monthly commissions generate in $20 or more. So if you day trade every day, you kind of normally exceed this $20. If you don't day trade every day, if you do less than 20 commissions, it will be $6 in total normally. But if you day trade every day regularly, then it will be even less than that, like it will be 4.5. For me, I believe I am paying around 4.5 since I do trade to pay commissions more than 20. So those are the only four. Let me show you again: Opera, NYSE, and NASDAQ. And this gives you everything. This gives you the complete level 2 data, complete options chain data, and other things. You don't need anything else apart from that. Only four, and those four will give you cost you $6 per month. So those are the only four you need. And I can just guarantee you that those are the only four you need for whatever subscriptions I had. And that gives you level 2 data too. I'm just stressing that out, level 2 data too. So if you ask me if that $6 is worthful to pay for the whatever data fee, it is worthful for me. At least I used to use Thinkorswim. I also tried Charles Schwab, Webull, and all. But Interactive Brokers is the best for executions. At least I still love the charts on Thinkorswim, but for at least for executions, I traded only options till now. I believe stocks would be also the same. Even the level 2 data, everything is very crisp, and they are very accurate. You don't see any lag in any of them. The executions are very good compared to the other brokers I have used. Yes, there are some few free brokers out there, but if you want a broker which can give you best execution rates, one of the best with minimal monthly fees, this is the best for $6. So that $6 what you are paying is well paid actually. It's well spent. So you can just consider that as well spent. Yeah, that's it for today. I just want to make a quick video about market data subscriptions. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I will try to answer. Yeah, that's it. If you want to follow my other videos like this or my regular live trading, you can subscribe to my channel. If you follow my journey, my short small account journey, subscribe to my channel. I will keep on making few videos, new videos like this. And yeah, thanks for watching. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.